Hi everyone, I'm Riley Becker. I'm one of the owners of QwikLED. Today, I'm going to show you the QwikLED adapter, what you get, and how to use it. Let's transform that old energy-consuming pool light into a home for an energy-efficient LED. The goal here is to save our clients over 50% on their pool light energy consumption bill. So here's what comes in the package when you order an adapter. To install the QwikLED adapter, you're going to need the existing set screw from your pool light fixture. If you need a new one, just visit your local pool supply company and ask for a pool light set screw. Your solution is going to look a little something like this. A new white LED light is not as obnoxiously blinding as a 500-watt bulb, so when you switch over, you should notice a little dimming. But you will also notice your energy bill drop as your energy consumption goes down drastically. And if you want all those amazing LED color changing effects, this adapter is great for color change LEDs. The QwikLED is your fastest path to getting your pool rainbow ready.